Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing loose clay quickly. Scrape gently with a plastic scraper to avoid scratching the table. Once the bulk is off, dampen a cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and blot the stained area to loosen mold spores and residue. This breaks surface tension so cleaning works. Make sure to work toward the edge of the stain to avoid spreading. You wear gloves and a mask because mold fragments can irritate your skin and lungs, so ventilate while you clean. Once the surface is wetted, you scrub gently with a soft toothbrush to lift embedded clay and mold from textured table finishes. The agitation frees trapped particles without damaging the finish. Then apply more alcohol or a mild detergent solution and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so enzymes and solvents break down organic matter. After dwelling, use circular wiping motions to lift residue and immediately blot with a dry cloth to remove moisture and prevent reactivation of mold. You finish by drying the area completely. Use a fan or low-heat hair dryer to ensure no moisture remains because dampness encourages mold return. Once dry, apply a furniture-safe sealant or wax to restore the protective layer and prevent future clay adhesion. If a faint stain remains, repeat the cleaning steps, and if necessary test a diluted bleach solution on an inconspicuous spot first to avoid discoloration. Troubleshoot by
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.